U.S. stocks look ready to rally on Monday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Microsoft looks as if it is going to gap to the upside during the open here on Monday, as pre-market trading has been very strong. Ultimately, if we can break above the $540 level, then I think it opens up a move towards the impulsive high at the $555 area. Short-term pullbacks open up the possibility of buying opportunities, with the 50-day EMA sitting right there at $512, which of course is also rising. So all things being equal, I think this is a market that continues to be more or less a buy on the dip situation. And I do believe that the $500 level will continue to be very important for support underneath. And as a result, I think there's plenty of people out there willing to get long. Google looks like it's going to gap as well, and that makes a certain amount of sense, as there's that risk on type of appetite out there, with the US and China supposedly coming closer to an agreement. A short-term pullback at this point in time would make a certain amount of sense. But I think ultimately you have to look at this as a market that is probably going to be buy on the dip as well as impulsive. We have no interest whatsoever in shorting, and now it looks like the $240 level will end up being a floor in the market, which the 50-day EMA racing towards that level as well. So it just solidifies everything that I see as far as support. Apple looks like it's going to gap to the upside, which makes quite a bit of sense considering that the situation with the United States and China will have a direct influence on Apple. We do have an earnings call, I believe, on Thursday this week, so that will cause a certain amount of noise. But this, again, looks like a very bullish market, and if we did get some type of impulsive sell-off, I more likely than not would be a buyer on any bounce. The uptrend line is very much in case the support, and this is a market that I think should continue to go higher, but do expect some volatility on that Thursday earnings call, which is after the bell closes. My name is Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.